What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today is a little bit of a special video because it's a more rare mod for a NEWEDGE in my opinion. Now this is a Moroso Brake Reservoir cover. Shipped, they are, I'm just pretty sure aluminum, so a nice silver finish. Unfortunately, that's not going to fly off my engine bay because, you know, I'm going for a straight black theme. So right now I'm heading to a shop in Lebanon. They're going to powder coat a black for me so it matches the engine bay. $55 is what they're charging me to do it. That's not bad. I got the actual piece itself for $50 from Stita. Pretty much what this does is it's just that cream reservoir for the master brake cylinder, I'm pretty sure. I mocked it up already and it looks so much better. It just, you know, the cream throws off everything. You know, your eye goes right to the cream because everything else is black. So I think it's gonna look really sharp in the engine bay. In addition, I also got a radiator cover. As you guys know, I've never had a radiator cover on this car, and you know, a $23 item from American Muscle, I had to do it. And I mocked that up also, and I was like, I just can't believe I haven't had one on the car because, I mean, it seriously hides so much and the black just cleans it up so well. I'm going to get this to the shop, have them powder coat it, pick that back up, and I will meet you guys in the garage to install it. We got our brake reservoir cover back from powder coat. I decided to go with gloss black instead of flat black just because it is a different piece for the engine bay, so I kind of wanted to stand out a little bit more. Unfortunately, it had to go through the sandblaster, so the actual Moroso lettering, you can kind of see it's still there in the proper sunlight, right there. But all in all, the actual powder coat job itself is really solid. So I'm excited to install that. Then we also got the new OEM radiator cover. So this is just gonna look really nice, clean up the engine bay a lot. All right, guys, so we have finished the install of both the radiator cover and the brake reservoir cover. So as you can tell, radiator cover, I mean, it's stock, but looks good. The black matches the engine bay. And then the cover itself, I'm glad I went with gloss still, I think, especially because the brake master cylinder itself is a little glossier than the rest of the engine bay. The fitment's all right. It does hit the surrounding brake lines a little bit, but I mean, it's not the worst. The actual like Velcro that they give you keeps it in place pretty well. All in all, I'm happy I did it. Like, looking from this angle, you can't even tell there's anything cream underneath this, which is sick. I mean, that was the whole point of it. And looking from the front, pretty much every color but black has been eliminated, which I guess was the end goal. Radiator cover was about 25 bucks. And then the brake reservoir cover, I'd say 110 total for powder coat and getting it shipped here. All in all, really happy I did it. All right, guys, that is all I have for you. Thank you for stopping in and watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
Perfect.